This is my toy that I got for my birthday. And this is a controller. And if you press this button, he goes forward. This, you go backwards. This, he turns. Then this, he turns the other way. Then, if you turn it upside down, that goes that way. Then this goes forward. Then this goes that way. This way. Then if you do this, it goes out. And then, if I stop, then he starts to move. He does that at bedtime. We put him on a dresser to make him go to sleep, and we also turn him off. This is how you turn him off. So you press this, and then he makes a sleepy sound. He makes a sleepy sound like that. Then you just click it one time, then he goes. You can drive him in the house and buy the truck. His name is Droid.